Okay. Hi everybody. I'm gonna teach you how to build a Lego robot. So first, to make it go into the hub properly, to make it like fit into all the holes. You put one peg in each hole on the top of the motor, and then one peg in one hole on the side that the blue spin thing is showing. See? Then you do the same for the second one. It's just that it's flipped around. So to put it on, you align the holes. Like you put this into this into that, and then this peg into this one. Like that. Same thing for the other one. This into this one, this peg into that hole, and this peg into that hole. Like that. See? That's it. Okay, so for the next step, you need this, like this thing. It holds a white ball inside it. Next, you need this flat purple piece that has holes in the shape of a cross, like this. To put the pegs on, you have to put one peg on this side and one peg on the opposite side. Don't put a peg in the middle. Then, to put it on, you put each peg into a hole like this, line it up, and press down. And press down. See? Next, you have to put pegs in the remaining holes, but you can't put a peg on the middle hole, like this. To put it on, you have to align it with the holes properly in the middle and press down. Like this is how it looks. Next, to put the wheels on, you need to get two of these two yellow axles. You put it into the middle hole of the motor on each side. It looks like this. To make it more stable, you put one peg here and one peg here on opposite sides of the yellow axle. It should look like this after you're done. Next, to put the wheels on, you align this little axle shape and put it into the axle, and then with the shape you have left, you press down, and then if it's not aligned with your holes, try again. It is aligned with my holes, so you do the same for the next step. Find this little axle shaped hole, press into the axle, and press down. Next, it should look like this. Next, you put the white piece on. The white piece looks like this. You find this little hole at the top of the white piece, press down onto the axle. It looks like this in the end. You do the same for the second side, the other side. Next, you put the motion sensor on. So, to put the motion sensor on, there are only two holes. You find a peg for each hole and push it in. To find the right side, it isn't perfectly aligned with it, so you have to put one side into a hole and leave it like that. Now we're finished with building the Lego robot. In the end, it should look like this.